I recorded this entire video without actually recording this video. I'm not even joking when I say this. I know that sounds confusing, but stick with me because what I'm about to show you is going to change how you think about content creation forever. Here is what we are going to cover. First, I'll show you the real problem that is stopping most people from growing on social media. Then, I'll reveal the technology that's solving this problem right now. I'll give you 3 real examples of creators already using this to blow up their accounts. And finally, I'll give you a clear roadmap to get started using this same strategy. By the end of this video, you'll understand why filming might be the biggest waste of time in content creation, and you'll know exactly how to never waste time on it again. Let's start with the real problem. Content creators have been complaining about the same thing for years, and it's not what you think. It's not ideas. Most creators have tons of ideas. It's not editing skills or equipment. The real problem is filming. If you ever tried making content, you know what I mean. You have a great idea for a video, but then reality hits. You need to block out time, set up lighting, make sure you sound good, worry about the stumbling over words, and then do it all over again if you mess up. So what happens now? You put it off. Days turn into weeks, the idea never becomes a reality. This is why a lot of creators burn out and posting consistently and never grow. What if you could create content without ever turning on a camera? The technology I'm about to show you makes all of this possible. And it's already being used by creators who are quietly building massive advantages while everyone else is still setting up ring lights. Let me show you exactly what I mean with 3 real examples. First, there is this guy, Umar, who is really taking advantage of this. A lot of his videos are generated with AI clones and are absolutely crushing. Let's take a look to one of his videos. Looks good, doesn't it? Another one is an Instagram account called Devarun Maya that has built over 1.1 million followers in entrepreneurship and AI space. What most people don't realize is that a significant portion of his content is also done with an AI clone. But now let me tell you about Nestor, an online consultant, because his transformation shows exactly what's possible. He actually hired us to create the clones and run his content strategy. When we started working together, he had 1,000 followers and was spending 15 plus hours every week trying to create content, creating an army of AI clones of Nestor that eliminates completely the recording process. In 45 days, he went from 1,000 followers to 17,000 engaged followers from all over around the world. But there is many other creators already taking advantage of this. And the pattern across all these creators is that they are using this technology to remove the biggest barrier when it comes to content creation. Now, let me show you how good this technology is. The AI clones being created today capture your natural speech patterns, your gestures, your facial expressions, even your little quirks. They are not perfect replicas, I'm not going to lie and say they are flawless, but they are good enough that in a 30-second TikTok or Instagram reel, 95% of people won't even notice the difference. And here's the key insight. Short-form content is viewed on phones, small screens, often with editing, music, text overlays, and quick cuts. And even if there are slight imperfections in the AI clone, it won't be noticeable. Content today is so heavily edited, and anyway, that AI clone footage blends in with everything else. But here's what's really interesting about audience reaction. I've analyzed the comment sections on AI-generated content across thousands of posts, and people aren't sitting there trying to detect whether it's real or not. They are engaging with the message, asking questions about the content, and sharing their thoughts on the topic. They just want to get value or be entertained. So what does this actually mean for content creation? It means that we can finally separate the creative work from the production work. Instead of spending 3 hours setting up and filming one video, you spend that time researching trends, analyzing what's working, developing better concepts, or engaging with your audience. The work that actually grows your brand. The biggest factor in content success is consistency. But consistency, when you have to physically film everything, is exhausting. That's why most creators burn out. Let me break down what content creation used to look like versus what it can look like now. With the old way, you have an idea. Then you block out time for filming. You set the equipment, record multiple takes, hope you don't mess up. You edit, upload, write captions. Total time, 3-4 hours for just one piece of content. With the new way, you have an idea. You write a script or bullet points, and you generate the video using your AI clone. Then you add any additional editing elements. Total time, 30 minutes. That's a complete transformation of how content is created. And because the barriers are so low, you can experiment more. That's another thing that separates creators who succeed from those who don't. They test relentlessly and eventually they find the winning format. And AI clones make this process super easy because you can test different concepts, different formats, different messaging without spending any time filming. And also you can be more responsive to trends because if you see something that is going viral, you can create your version within hours instead of waiting waiting until you have time to properly film. Now, I know that some of you are thinking, is this authentic? And here's my take. Authenticity isn't about whether you are physically present all the time. It's about whether the ideas and personality coming through you are genuinely yours. Because if an AI clone is sharing your thoughts, your knowledge, your unique perspective, then it's authentic. If we are being honest, most creators nowadays are literally writing their scripts with AI. Now tell me, what is less authentic? Someone filming their content, yet every single line is from AI and not their own? Or someone who shares their own ideas and just uses a clone to put it out there efficiently? Using a clone does not take away from your authenticity. The technology is only getting better. The AI clones being created today are significantly more realistic than what was possible 6 months ago. Within the next year, the difference between AI-generated and human-recorded content will be virtually undetectable for most short-form content. Platforms are becoming more accepting of AI content because they care about engagement, not necessarily whether content is human-generated. Which brings me to my final point. There is currently a huge opportunity for early adopters. Here's how to start using this method now and blow up your social media account. Step 1. Record your training footage. You need about 3 minutes of yourself speaking naturally to the camera. Don't overthink this. Just talk about topics you know well, use normal gestures, make eye contact with the lens. Clear audio matters more than perfect lighting, because this is the only filming you'll ever need to do. When I do it for clients, we usually book a studio and record videos in different angles and formats. But for starting, it can be done at home. Step 2. Choose your AI clone platform. The most popular right now are HeyGen, DID, and VO3. Now, you're going to upload your training footage and let the AI learn your speech patterns and mannerisms. Step 3. Recreating viral videos. Find the most viral videos in your niche and put them in a Google Doc. You need to recreate those concepts in your own niche. Write them in your unique ideas, knowledge, and tone. Keep them under 60 seconds initially. Your AI clone will deliver these scripts with your voice and personality, while you just have to focus on the strategy behind the content. Step 4. Cover imperfections with editing. Even if there are some imperfections, especially if you created the clone yourself at home, use text overlays, B-roll footage, transitions, and music. These elements not only make your content more engaging but also mask any minor AI inconsistencies. Step 5. Double down on winning formats. After you have tested a bunch of viral content formats and found what works for you, create multiple versions of the same concept. Test different hooks, different angles, see what resonates and scale what works. The key is starting simple and building confidence with the technology. Your first AI clone videos might not be perfect, but they'll be good enough to post. And that's infinitely better than the perfect video that you never make because filming feels too overwhelming. If you want me to help you to create a high quality clone and build a content strategy that actually works, I will leave a link to book a call with me below. It's 100% no obligation, and if we are not a good fit, you'll leave with some valuable insights. And if you are interested in seeing all the details about how we actually transform the social media presence of one of our clients, you can click on the video on the top left. If you like the video, I would appreciate a like and a sub. See you in the next one.